Dear students, here we have the chapter 8, that is HCF and LCM. In that chapter we are going to study in detail about HCF. Let's learn what is the meaning of HCF and the methods of finding HCF. Here we have HCF. Let's see what HCF stands for. HCF stands for highest common factor. Remember, HCF of two or more given numbers is the greatest number that completely divides each of the given numbers. For example, when we are given two or more numbers, we should find the HCF of that number by dividing that number completely and finding which is the greatest number which has divided the number completely. Let's take for example 18 and 24. And let's find the HCF of the numbers. Let's take example 18 and 24. As you see here, these are the two numbers given. 18 and 24 are the two numbers given. So let's find first the factors. Okay, then let's move for finding the HCF of the number. As we know, 2 9s is 18. And here 2 12s is 24. Coming to 3 1s, we know 3 6s is 18. And 3 8s is 24. If you take 4 1s, we find we don't get 18 in 4 1s tables. But it is possible with 24, so we cannot write 4. So let's move for the next one, that is let's try with 6 1s and we find 6 3s is 18, 6 4s is 24. As you see here, 2, 3 and 6 are the same factors where we have obtained in both the sides. So my question is to you, which will be the greatest number? Here the greatest number is 6 and this 6 is called to be the HCF of 18 and 24. So HCF of 18 and 24 is which number? That is 6. So 6 is called to be the HCF of 24. Let's take one more example of the numbers 16, 24 and 32. 24 and 32. And let's take the numbers which divide these three numbers completely. So we know 2 1s are, 2 8s is 16, 2 12s is 24 and 2 16s is 32. Coming to 3 1s are, it's not possible, so we cannot write for 24 and 32. So let's take 4 1s are, no, not possible. So like that, children, you need to keep on checking that which numbers will divide these three numbers completely. So next let's take 8 1s are, because 8 2s is 16, 8 3s is 24 and 8 4s is 32. 9, 10, 11, 12 is not possible. So let's stop here and find the HCF of 16, 24 and 32. So what is the HCF of 16, 24 and 32? Children, the number 8 is the HCF of 16, 24 and 32, as HCF stands for highest common factor. So you can find the 8 and in this case 6 are the common factors of 18 and 24. So 16, 24, 32, you find 8 as the common factor. But the highest common factor in this case it is 6 and in this case it is 8. And learn the methods of finding HCF. So for finding HCF of two or more given numbers, there are three methods. The first one is common factor method. The second, prime factor method, and number 3, it is division method. So remember the three methods: common factor method, prime factor method and the division method. Coming to the first method of finding HCF is the common factor method. So let's see what this common factor method telling us and what are the steps in finding the common factor. Let's take an example of the number 36 and 48. Let's find the HCF of the number 36 and 48 and then let us find the common factor. So as you know, as we have learned, so to find some of the common factor, we should have some of the steps. So let's see what are the steps. So let's begin writing the solution. The step 1, finding the common factor method, the step 1 is to find the factors. So factors of 36 and 48. What is the meaning of factor? We should find the numbers which will completely divide the number 36 as well as 48. So factors of 36. So factors of 36 are 1, then 2, as 2 18s is 36. So like that you need to check with the numbers and find the factors of 36. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 ones are 36 are the factors of 36. Coming to next one, that is factors of 48. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48 are the factors of 48. So as the step 1 is telling us to find the factors and we have done with finding all the possible factors of the given number. Let's move for step 2. What is step 2 telling us about? Step 2 says which factors we have obtained in step 1. We should find the common factor. So step 2 is finding the common factor. Find factors that are common to 36 and 48. So let's see common. Step 2 is to find common factor of 36 and 48. So what are the common factor? Let's see here and let's circle one by one. 1 is present. Here even 1 is present. So let's move for 2. Then 3, 4, 6, 8 is not present. So we cannot circle. Even 9 is not present. Let's move for 12. Then 18, no. 16, no. 24, no. And last 48, no. So what did you find? Note down here the common factor, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the common factors we obtained in step 1. So let's see what is step 3. So step 3 is from step 2 what we have got, in that which is the highest factor, it will be the HCF of the given number. So from the step 2, the highest number, highest common factor is which number here? Can you see? 12. So HCF of 36 and 48 will equal to 12. So this is the common factor, highest common factor we obtain by finding HCF of 36 and 48. 12 is the largest number which divides both 36 and 48 completely. So by taking 12 we can divide 36 and 48 completely. So HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. And the second method is to find by prime factor method. The second method of finding HCF is prime factor method. So let's see the steps involved in finding the prime factor. Let's take the example of finding HCF of 15 and 25. So, we know 15, let's divide 15. It is 3 5s is 15 and 5 1s is 5. 3 and 5 are the numbers which are the factors of 15. So let's write here prime factors. Remember, the step 1 is to split the given numbers into prime factors. See, here 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. So let's say the prime factors of 15 are. So what are the prime factors of 15 are? 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 are the prime factors of 15. That is 15 equal to 5 into 3. So next one, let's see what is 25. The factors of 25, that is 5 5s is 25 and 5 1s is 5. So prime factor of 25 is number 5. Okay, prime factor of 25 is 5. As you know, 5 5s is 25. Okay, the prime factor of 25 are, let's write 5 and 5 as 25 equals to 5 into 5. Now, here we see 5 is a prime number. The common number, let's find out now. So need to find out the common number. The step 2 is to find out the common factor, or is the common prime factor. So common prime factor, which can be a common prime factor? Number 5. As you see, 5 and 5 are dividing 15 and 25 in both the cases. So you can say the prime factor, common prime factor is 5. Therefore, HCF of 15 and 25 is 5. Let's take another example of finding the HCF, that is the number 24. HCF of 24, 12, 36 and 60. Let's find the factors of 24 by dividing. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6s is 12, 2 3s is 6 and 3 1s is 3. Coming to 12, let's try to divide 12. 2 6s, 2 3s is 6, 3 1s is 3. Coming to 36, 3 1s, 3 2s, that is 3 12s is 36. Then 3 4s is 12, 2 2s is 4 and 2 1s is 2. Coming to 60, 2 3s 6, 2 30 0, 32s is 60, then 2 15s is 30, 3 5s is 15 and 5 1s is 5. So we have find the HCF by dividing. So let's write the factors of 24. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Let's move for 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Let's move for 36. It is 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Let's move for number 60. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So let's see the common factor here. Let's circle around the numbers which are common in and dividing the 4 numbers completely. So we have found here 2, 2 and 3. So these are the prime numbers which are dividing the numbers completely. So let's multiply them and find what is the highest common factor. That is 12. So 12 is the highest common factor which divides 24, 12, 36 and 60. So you should note the important point. The first one, any two numbers that do not have a common factor are called co-prime numbers. When you find the HCF of any two numbers, if you don't get any common factor, so the number is called to be co-prime number. And the second point, the HCF of two co-prime numbers is always 1. And you should consider the HCF of the two co-prime numbers is 1. So in next class, let's learn about the division method. Thank you.